Welcome to the world of Microsoft 365, where productivity meets innovation. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of Microsoft 365. Before I proceed, let me define first what is Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is a productivity suite by Microsoft combining popular applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It offers users the ability to create, collaborate on, and store documents and data online, facilitating seamless work across devices and locations. So, how do you start Microsoft 365 in your computer? First, if you see the Windows right here, you just click on that. And if you don't see the Microsoft 365 apps, you can go over here to the search bar and just type Microsoft 365 apps, Microsoft 365, and it should appear up here. Click Office 365 Login, click this and type your personal or your school Gmail account. Kilat Mylene at gmail.com. So click sign in and enter your password. And sign in. So once you are signed in, you will see the sections left hand sidebar such as home, create, my content, and apps.
For the home section, I would like to just give you a brief overview of some of the features inside of this section, such as document, presentation, workbook, form, quiz, video, and page. First, I will give you a short overview about Document or Microsoft Word. This app is used for writing letters or any types of various document. And now I will show you on how to use this app. So once you're inside in a Microsoft Word, you will see a lot of options here. The file, home, insert, layout, styles, editing, dictate, and more. So I will give you an example. For example, I will write my name. So what I want to do with the text is I want to bold it and change the font name. You will see a lot of options here. I want the text Verdana. I also want to change the font size into 14. You can also change the font color. So I want blue and more. So there are a lot of options here of what you want to do with your text. So if you're done, just click the file and save as. So select documents and type the file name and save. So that's it. So now I will proceed to the next application, which is the presentation or the Microsoft PowerPoint. It allows you to create a slide-based presentation. So let's try to open this app. So you will notice a lot of options here. Insert, you can insert a new slide, pictures, shapes, draw, design, transitions, animations, and more. You can also click this free design and add your title. So that's it. So after working your presentation, you can click the file and save as, just like the Word document. Select and type the file name. Save.
The third is a workbook or the Microsoft Excel. This is used for tasks like financial calculations, creating calendars, and more. So when you open this up, you will see many lines here because this application is also called as the spreadsheet program. The fourth is Forms or Microsoft Forms. It is used to create surveys, quizzes, and forms. So you will see that this tool is for designing questionnaires, collecting response, and analyzing data connected.
So now I will proceed to the Create section where you can see the Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel, Forms, Quiz Forms, List, Designer, the video, and the page. So to start with your documents, you can look through all of these templates down here where you can see the resumes and cover letters, presentations, budgets for scheduling, events, and more like celebrations and charts. So if you want it to be a little bit faster, you can just search it up here.
Next, next section is my content, and this allow you to access and manage your existing documents, files, and project. Here you can organize, search, and open previously in your created content. You can also share your documents, can see your attachment, and you can see your favorite documents here. You can also upload here and type the file name.
Lastly is the apps, and we already explained it, and I will give a short overview of these sections. This section provide access to Microsoft 365 apps. This would include the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and Clipchamp, and many more Microsoft apps. You can also purchase a Microsoft Premium account by clicking the blue button. And you can choose it either yearly or monthly. And under those have three categories, which is the basic account, good for one person, and a personal account, also good for one person, and for family, which is good up to 6 people. And after, if you have a premium Microsoft account, you can also install Microsoft apps from the Microsoft company.
Microsoft Teams is a hub for teamwork. It's an app that helps you pull together a team and work together using chat instead of email, and channels instead of just file folders. It's a workspace where you and your team can securely edit files at the same time and see likes, app mentions, and replies with just a single tap. It's a place that your team can make its own by adding notes, websites, and apps. And because it's in the cloud, it lets everyone work together, no matter where they are. It's a solution that understands that having fun doesn't just make you and your team more productive, it makes you all more creative. Learn how to use Microsoft Teams to connect and create in brand new ways at office.com/training.
Good day, everyone. Today we're going to proceed to the next topic, which is Microsoft Teams. I'm going to show you everything in Microsoft Teams and all the stuff you can do in this platform. So, first, let me define what is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams or MS Teams is the collaborative platform that enables seamless communication, collaboration, and team management within an organization. And now let us explore Microsoft Teams and its functions. Let's go. So first thing to do is download the Microsoft Teams if you don't have the app. But since I have already downloaded this application, you just gonna press the Windows tab or search it here in the search tab. Well, there you can see the Microsoft Teams icon. You just press it or click it. And after that, before you start the Microsoft Teams experience, you have to log in your account. So click use another account or sign up. Then put your email, phone, or Skype, but we're using the email account. After that, after you put in your account, you need to press next. Then there you go. You enter your password. Then click sign in. Then click OK. In just a moment, there will be a pin sending to your phone.
So this is the inside of Microsoft Teams. In the left sidebar, you would see the different channels such as activity, community, chat, and calendar. For this video, we will get an overview of Teams and teach you how to take some of these channels. First is the activity. Take a look at this logo. What comes in your mind when you see this big logo? It is a notification, right? So it means in this channel, you would view your all recent activities within Teams. It displays notification for mentions, replies to your message, reaction to your messages, and other important updates related to the teams you are part of. In the community channel in Microsoft Teams, typically contains discussions, shared files, and collaborative tools relevant to a specific community's interests. It serves as a hub for open conversation where members can ask questions, share insights, and engage in discussions. Documents and files related to community projects or topics are accessible within channel. So the third one is chat. The functions of this channel is where you can have one-on-one or group conversations with team members. Chat can include text, video calls, file sharing, and more. You can also make a new chat by tapping this icon. and enter their name, email, or phone number. You can also add group name if you want and start your conversation. The last one is the calendar. A calendar channel typically refers to a channel where team members can access and view scheduled meetings, appointments, and events. Inside a calendar channel, you will find a meeting schedule right here. You can add a title in your meeting, your members or participants, and the days and the locations. You can also bold your text, italize, underline your text, and more. And you can schedule meetings by the links here and start meeting, get a link to share, join with an ID. Overall, the calendar channel in Microsoft Teams centralizes scheduling meeting and information for the team, making it easier to stay on top of important events and collaborate effectively.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So, our topic today is all about the evolution of information technology. So, what is the evolution of information technology? Please read Catrace.
Information technology refers to the technologies, both hardware and software, to manage information. It is any form of technology that enables you to communicate. Software, the program and other operating information used by computer. Hardware, the machines, wiring, and other physical components of a computer or other electronic system.
Let's proceed to the next slide. So, these are the evolution of information technology from past to present. So, start pre-computer era. Kindly read Mylene.
Pre-computer era refers to the time prior to the invention and widespread use of electronic computers. This era fluctuates from early 2018s with the first mechanical computer invented. Before that, we used abacus to help those perform mathematical calculations.
Okay, upon Mylene.
Mechanical and electrical period. Mechanical computers are machines made up of that performs physical functions. Examples, the mechanical calculator. These types of computers are rarely used today as they have been replaced by electronic and digital devices.
So, can you please read it, Jerry?
Electromechanical computers were transitional devices that combine mechanical and electronic components to perform more complex calculations. An example of an mechanical computer is the IBM Harvard Mark I, developed in the 1940s. It rolled on mechanical counters and relays to store data and perform calculations.
So next, so electronic computers such as ENIAC and PVAC were the first true digital computers. They use vacuum tubes to process data and perform calculations. Electronic computers became prevalent in the 1950s and 1960s and paved the way for the personal computers we use today. So mainframes computers. So 1950. Next slide. The personal computers. Can you please read the numbers?
Personal computers 1970 to 1980. Personal computers or PCs are designed for use by individuals. They are smaller and less powerful than mainframes, but they are flexible and can be customized to meet the user's needs. Example of personal computers include desktops, laptops, and tablets.
And so guys, that's all for our evolution of information technology.